Welcome back. In this video we'll be talking about how to insert and scale images from Google Earth and other similar programs. So of course, first of all, we need to have Google Earth running, which I have over here. This is my local shopping centre. So I live in Perth, West Australia. You don't need the full address, but this is the shopping centre just down the road from us. So let's say we're looking at a lift study to place air conditioning units up onto this roof. So the first thing we're going to do is take a snip of this image and put it into AutoCAD. So I'm going to press the Shift key, the Windows key, and the S key. S for Sam. So Shift, Windows key, Sam, to get the snip tool. I'm going to take a fair size chunk of this image, so I think I'll start up here. And I'll select about that much. So that's now copied to the clipboard. I can move this out of the way, come back to AutoCAD and simply go Control V on the keyboard and bring that image into AutoCAD like that. Now I need to scale this to make sure it's the right size. So let's go back to Google Earth and use the measure tool, show the ruler, set to meters, and we'll do a line. So I'm going to zoom right in, close as I can get it, and click on that corner of the building. Come out, I'm going to zoom right into that corner and get a measurement there. So that tells me 72.62 meters for the rear of that building, 72.62 meters. So back to AutoCAD, we can do a linear dimension from those same points. From about there over to about there. Bring that down off the image so we can see it, and we'll see it's 28,922. Now we can use the scale with reference. So click on scale, select both the dimension and the image, confirm, left click to start, reference, there to there, and our new length will be 72620. Press enter, and that's our image scaled. Now from here you can get rid of that dimension. From here you can just bring your cranes in. Let me go to the crane folder. I'll bring in say a 200-ton lever. You can see how much room it's going to take up in the car park there, and you can tell relative to the size of the car that this obviously is nicely scaled and working. So to say show where the air conditioning unit has to go, you could draw a rectangle, maybe turn it red so it's easier to see, and then we could do a line dimension from the center of the crane. Now when you go to rectangles, you can control right click and select geometric center, and you'll see that green symbol come up. When you get that, left click, and we can check that the radius is about 24 meters. And from here you would use all the other techniques that we have talked about to create your lift plan. Now this image, if it's too big, you can go to your file system and click on it, edit it in Paint or whatever, some other program, and crop it back so maybe it only shows an image, say about that size. I'll turn that red so it's easier to see. Okay, so this is an image from Google Earth. Now if you're in Nearmap, which is a lovely program, it's much more accurate. It's pretty much exactly the same method. You take a snapshot, put it into AutoCAD, go back to Nearmap, get a measurement, come back to AutoCAD and scale the image to suit, and then away you go. Okay, that's inserting images. Thank you.